Hello everyone and welcome back. How to answer your research defense question in 1 minute. Ang tanong, what is the goal or objective of your study? Ulitin natin, what is the goal or objective of your study? Saan makikita yung sagot at paano ito dapat sagutin? Una, saan makikita ang sagot? Ang sagot sa tanong na ito ay makikita o dapat kunin ninyo sa inyong research title. Example ng research title ninyo. Yung pinakasimple lang para sa ating discussion. The effect of blended learning to the academic performance of senior high school students. Paano ito dapat sagutin? Ang sagot sa tanong ay the objective or goal of our study is to identify the effects of blended learning to the academic performance of senior high school students.